Do you wish there were an easier, faster way to write blog posts? Hi, I'm Paula Ramm, and today I'm excited to tell you about a new feature that Tailwind has. First, they came out with Ghostwriter, which is their AI writing software. And within the Ghostwriter feature, now they have Blog Creation Wizard, which helps you write blog posts super fast and super easily. And I want to show you how to do that today and show you why I love it so much. Because if you're like me, blog posts would take forever to write. And then just to even think of a title would take almost as long to get that clever title. So let me show you. I think you're going to be excited as I am about this new feature from Tailwind. Okay, here we are at the blog creation wizard through Ghostwriter with Tailwind. And you see on the left, it's all labs, and that's where you'll find it in your Tailwind dashboard. Okay, you guys are going to love this. Okay, what is your article about? So here, just put in your topic. It doesn't have to be your title. Again, this blog creation wizard is going to think up titles for you. Okay, I'm going to try my topic of best shelling beaches in Florida. Okay, let's see what titles. I'm going to click here and see what titles it comes up with. I know many of you might have heard of AI and thought it just sounds too hard or complicated, and it really is not. Ghostwriter makes it so easy that anybody can do this. Okay, here we got some titles. We've got 5 titles to choose from. So just look through and see which title, stands out to you. Discover the hidden gems, top 5 least crowded shelling beaches, sandy treasures, a guide to finding rare shells, from conchs to cowries, the ultimate guide to identifying shells, Florida's best kept secret, a shelling beach that only locals know about, shells and sunsets, the best shelling beaches to catch a breathtaking sunset in Florida. Look, those are some different angles. So maybe these are angles you hadn't thought of before, right? I hadn't thought about where you can do a sunset and shell, or here focus on one beach. Okay, I'm just going to do, let's see. I think, should I go with the least crowded or a guide to finding rare shells? Okay, I think, oh, that's a tough one. See, even now I'm having a hard time deciding, but I'm just going to go with this one, least crowded shelling beaches. Okay, continue to outline. Now here, Blog Creation Wizard is going to outline it for you. Okay, first they're going to have the article summary. If you're looking for a peaceful and less crowded shelling experience, this post is for you. We've rounded up the top 5 best shelling beaches in Florida. There's not as well known as the popular ones. Okay, that sounds great. I couldn't have said it better myself. Okay, generate outline. You could also add keywords or phrases if you want to make sure that you're talking about something in your blog post. All right, let's see what it comes up with. Okay, it has an introduction. Okay. And then it has the 5 beaches. Okay. Now, I know, okay. All right. Looks good to me. So I'm just going to keep these. Now, if you had thought of one that is not on here, you can always add it. Or if you one you don't like, you can take it off. And it even has a conclusion. Okay, now I'm just going to click here and it's going to just write the entire blog post for me. Okay. This is exciting. It's always fun to have someone else do the work for you. Okay. So now we just wait and see what Ghostwriter Blog Creation Wizard comes up with. Okay, so you see the heading for each beach, and then it'll describe each one. There's the second one. I mean, you know how long this would take me to write? This is crazy. Look at all that. It's just writing it for you. This is much easier than hiring a writer because, yeah, it's just, you just click it in. Okay. All right, there we go. And there's, so to scroll down a little bit to see the rest of the article it's generating. Okay. And that looks like the conclusion. So it's all set. You can edit it right here if you want, or you can download it, copy or download it. And if you want to edit it somewhere else. So I'm going to click download. Okay, now that's downloaded on my computer. And I do recommend if you have any additional personal experience with any of these things you're writing about, add those in because Google will like you adding in your personal experience, your personal opinion, and then, better yet, your own photos. If you say, if I've been to any of these places, which I have, I can take my own personal photos and put those in the blog post. And that makes it unique. So it's not just an AI written blog post, but now you've just made it a little bit more your own, and you have a great blog post. So see how easy that was? All I had to do really was just put in my topic, and it created the title for me and the outline and the entire written blog post, and then click download. So you can see how easy this is and why I am so excited about it. So if you don't have this yet, if you write blog posts, if you're a blogger and you want a quicker, easier way to write more, get more content on your blog, I definitely recommend this blog creation wizard from Tailwind. It is just simply amazing and so easy. So is that easy or what? Definitely give it a try. If you don't already have Tailwind, check out my link in the description for a special offer. And then Ghostwriter comes with that. You can do social media posts and everything else with that, all kinds of options. But my favorite is the blog creation wizard because it just saves you so much time and mental energy. So definitely give it a try. I know you're going to love it. All right. Thanks for watching.